Where are you?
I'm at Guangzhou right now. We are at the New Balu right there. You see the...
Ah, yes, yes, yes. Let's go. It's not a picture, it's a video.
Wow. The food is nice.
You haven't even eaten.
But the conversation is really bloody. Gawin na lang tayo. Siomay, kahit lang siomay, oh. Sarap eh.
Sa mga easy ng mga tao.
Amazing.
Ha?
Amazing.
Amazing? Ayan, kasama mo sila.
I'm here at Beijing Street, so we're looking around.
And
I'm
you're...
trying to find any store. I need to buy some cap. Guess what I found?
Ah.
China's authentic brand. Pounds count. So
I'm gonna go inside. Bye.
Kaloka dito, yung Adidas Y3. Dito iba ang pangalan, Ads Y3. O, di ba? Papasukin mo to, titignan ko ano meron sa loob. Pero ano nakalagay? Ads mo? Ay, iba siya.
And now for Raymond's favorite brand. China. So where are you now?
So we're already inside of the Canton Tower. We're going to the Sky Drop. So where are you now? So we're here at Canton Tower. It's 106th floor.
No, it's 109.
109th floor. And as you can see, those are clouds. Those are clouds. And we're going to try to ride the Sky Drop. One of the rides here at the Canton Tower. That's the Sky Drop right there. They're going all the way up from that side up there, and it will suddenly fall down. Sky Drop, that's why they call it Sky Drop. And behind me right there, it's a bubble trump. It's a ride also here at Canton Tower where you can see a 360 degrees view of the whole city. Right there. Grabe. Sakay tayo. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Ganito nangyari. Init na ako, pawis na lolo mo. Galit na ako. Ako, sabi ko, tingin tayo ng panyo dun sa loob. Naghahanap ako ng panyo, wala akong makakita, nakakita ako pamaypay. Alam mo ang ginawa ko? Bumili ako ng pamaypay. Suddenly, they gave me a raffle ticket. A raffle or a scratch ticket. Tapos, 3. Ang maganda nun, scratch ko yung 2. Ang nakalagay dun sa 2, thank you. Tapos, pag scratch ko dun sa isa, may nakalagay Chinese, tapos 3,000. Tapos sabi ni ate, scratch mo to? Sabi niya, oo. Sabi niya, ngayon lang binigay sa'yo? Oo. Ini-scratch mo talaga? Oo. Patingin nga. 3 talaga to? Sabi niya, andyan yung 2. Sabi mo, thank you. Tapos ito isa, 3,000 nakalagay. I don't know kung para sa inyo. Sabi niya, wow, you're so lucky.
Bakit daw?
3,000 yen ba yun?
RMB.
RMB. 3,000 RMB discount kada isang alahas. Akala namin, isang beses lang. Yung pala, 3 type ng alahas, madi-discount na ng 3,000 RMB. So, doon sa total ng 3 alahas na nabili namin, ang na-discount namin, 9,000 RMB.
So, about mga almost 67,000 pesos.
Almost 67,000 pesos ang na-discount namin para sa alahas. So, patingin ako nung nabili mo. Yun, no? Discounted. At haler, may mga certificate lahat. Makikita namin sa inyo.
Lucky mo naman.
Social. Lucky.
So, nasan ka?
Nasa kalsada ako. Hindi ko alam na
Beijing Street.
Beijing Street. Tapos maglalakad-lakad tayo. Tingin tayo ng mga kakainan.
Okay.
Kasi init na ako. Pawis na ako.
Okay. So, we are in Guangzhou, China. But this guy is missing Soup buntot!
Done.
So, we actually ate like bakar, sibas bakar, and shrimp bakar, and of course soup buntot. And he's so happy. But how do you like it?
Doesn't have the
Difference?
local taste. Like for example, the soup buntot. Usually the soup buntot, the vegetable is a bit mushy. And the soup,
Like boiled for a long
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
like too soft.
then the soup is a bit sour and a bit salty. So this one is a bit blunt. For the bakar,
It's empty.
bakar prawn, mostly it's spicy. Salty and spicy. But this one is a bit light.
Yeah.
The taste is light. For the sibas bakar, the soya sauce or the sweet soya sauce is not in there. So it's a bit light.
Not enough. It
Yeah. Not
doesn't
enough
cover
taste.
the entire fish.
Yes.
Thank you for visiting. Look, everybody is thank you. Merci.
Don't worry, I will say. Philippines, salamat po.
Yeah, teach them.